Hey y'all, it's me, Felicia Marie, here with a few quick styles for my Microlocs. For this style, you'll need a band and your favorite scarf, preferably a satin or silk scarf of your choice. And I'm using my band to put my hair up. Prefer it closer to the front of my face, but based on your preference, just use your band to place your hair where you want it, and you can just maneuver this style the way you like it. You can keep it up and put a few pieces down at the side just to add a little more flavor to your liking. But for this style, I'm going to add my silk scarf here. I'm placing my silk scarf at the nape of my neck and tying it at the front of my head, and I'm going to put it in a bow and tuck the loose ends. You don't want to put too much tension at the front of your head. Sometimes that can kind of make a dent there, so be very careful and just place the hanging parts of your scarf underneath. And there's a part here of my bow, and I'm just gonna tuck that as well. And now I'm just fine tuning and just getting my scarf in the position of my choosing. And here we have it, guys, a cute little updo just to fit your style that's fashionable, quick, easy, and cute. You can also adjust your band if you prefer a tighter one. It will change the volume of the hair up top. For this next style, you'll need 2 small hairpins and 2 small rubber bands. You're going to have your hair parted in the middle, and you're just going to smooth down your hair to prepare for this style. Next, you're going to section off 2 equal parts on the right and left side of your hair. You're going to split each row, and you're going to twist the hair in the opposite direction of each other, and you're going to place that small rubber band at the end of your twist. You can also do this with a braid if you prefer. I'm wrapping it around twice, and then you're going to tuck and hide your twist, and you're going to place your hairpin underneath the hair that you have laying over the twist to camouflage it. And once your hairpin is placed, you're just going to fluff the hair around the twist for a seamless look. And here you have it, a twisted goddess style, guys. How cute. Grab 1 medium-sized rubber band, and you're going to pull your hair up from one side to the next, and you're going to wrap this hair around with the rubber band into a messy bun. Once your rubber band has been placed, if you have a middle part like me, you want to make sure that you cover up that space in the middle and just fluff your hair to your liking. And there you have it. For this last and final look, you'll need 3 medium-sized hair bands. You're going to section your hair off into 3 different sections. And here I'm starting at the back of my neck, and I'm going to take my hairband and wrap it around this section of my hair twice, creating a ponytail. Next, I'll section my hair off for my second ponytail, which I'm going to camouflage over the first ponytail that I did here. I'm only going to wrap the band around once because this is a thicker section, and I'm going to try to maneuver the hair to camouflage the band for the first ponytail. This will give the illusion that you have a fuller and longer ponytail. And then we're going to do just the top section, which is going to be split down the middle. And I'm going to place the band on this last ponytail in the same manner as the other two ponytails. And there you have it, a cute Mohawk ponytail style. As always, I want to thank you guys for tuning in, sending my peace and love. I'll catch you on the next video.